Hello everyone, we are from Group 2. Today we would like to make a presentation about subject LOG 2063, which is Principles of Purchasing Management, and we are from Group 2 want to make a presentation about the cost of quality. So it will be present to our team based on prepared by this slide, and let's move to the first part. So in the first slide, which is about what is the cost of quality, as you can see that the cost of quality refers to the cost spent by company to ensure purchase a service in a good standard. It also includes the cost of covered by mistakes, the purchase avoids damage and deficit. So as we can see, the cost of quality, the company make a spend on their money, which is make a cost to the purchase goods and service to make a best part to make a customer satisfaction. And also the cost of quality also relate with the total quality management, which is TQM. This is also relate because they are focused on quality at every step, not just in the place or the time. Okay, for example, in the real example is the FedEx company should deliver in the goods on time and no damage. Okay, as we know that FedEx is delivery the parcel to point A to point B, and make sure is follow the timing, which is if that date of the delivery must before or on time in the date, and also make sure that the purchase is not damaged because the parcel is for the customer. Okay, and next is it also relate the TQM because it can get the customer feedback. Okay, for example, the customer giving a rating after deliver the food in the Grab food. So as we can know that the Grab food that has a car, service car, food, and they also give what they want to order or what destination that they want to go. And after the food beverage already arrived or the customer is arrived their destination, they will give the rating, which is 1 until 5 star, and they can give a feedback about the service the Grab food or Grab rider work.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad NAFIS bin Muhammad PADZIL, PDL 2502022, and today I would like to share about prevention costs. Prevention costs refer to the money spent by a company to prevent defect, error and quality problem before they happen. It is a proactive approach because preventing problem is usually cheaper than fixing them later. There are several examples of prevention costs shown in this slide. First is standard operating procedure (SOPs). For example, at McDonald's, employees follow strict SOPs for food preparation, hygiene and customer service that need a cost to ensure consistent quality and food safety. Second is employee training. For example, Starbucks provides training to its barista so that they can prepare drinks correctly, maintain service quality and deliver a consistent customer experience. Third is machine maintenance. For example, Toyota regularly maintain its production machine in the factory to prevent breakdowns and ensure that vehicles are produced according to quality standard. Another example is supplier quality evaluation. For instance, Bonia evaluates its fabric and material supplier before purchasing to ensure that the material meets the company quality requirement. These prevention activities provide several benefits. They help reduce defect and error, improve product quality, reduce failure costs, such as repair and product return, and increase customer satisfaction. To sum up, prevention cost is an important investment because it helps company prevent problems before they happen, maintain high quality standard, and save costs in the long run. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Muhammad MUADZ and my ID number is PDL 2502006. Today, I'm going to explain about a critical concept in manufacturing and quality control, appraisal costs. As you can see on the pink note on the right, appraisal means to check and test the product. It refers to the strategic process of inspecting, testing, and evaluating raw materials or finished products. The ultimate goal here is straightforward, and it is to catch defects and verify product quality before items are approved for shipping or allowed to move further down the production line. To see how this works in the real world, let's look at three industry giants highlighted in the middle of the slide. Okay, first, Toyota. At the end of their assembly line, they don't just do a quick glance, but they conduct a massive, strict 1,500 point physical final assembly inspection. This ensures every vehicle is mechanically and cosmetically perfect before hitting the road. Next, we have Apple. Before any iPhone or MacBook is packaged, Apple enforces 100% automated device functional testing. Every touchscreen, battery, and camera is electronically checked to guarantee a premium experience right out of the box. Now, let's look at CTRM right here in Malaysia. They manufacture high-tech aerospace parts for global clients. Because safety is life or death in flight, they deploy advanced, non-destructive structural testing. They use ultrasonic and X-ray scans to check for hidden internal cracks without damaging the components. So, why do companies invest so heavily in appraisal? It comes down to two types of benefits, external and internal. Looking at the external benefits, how this impacts our market and customer relations. Appraisal drastically lowers warranty claims because faulty products never leave the factory. Consequently, always delivering flawless products secures repeat business and long-term customer loyalty. Internally, inside the factory, appraisal minimizes wasted production time by catching a defect early. We stop workers from wasting more materials and time on a part that's already broken. Furthermore, making testing a routine creates a quality-first culture, keeping the entire factory floor disciplined and focused on excellence. In conclusion, appraisal costs shouldn't be seen as just an expense. It is a vital investment that protects a company's reputation, saves money, and guarantees that only the best products reach the consumer. Thank you, and that's it from me. Now I'm going to pass to my friend to continue the presentation.
My name is ATIKAH SYAHIRAH binti ARIFIN. My ID number is PDL 2502039. Today I will talk about internet failure cost. Internal failure costs are expenses a company face before a production is complete or delivered to customer. These costs happen when mistake or defect occur during production and need to be fixed within the company. Common example include reworking product, scrapping defective item, or other operation losses. Managing these costs properly is important because it ensures product work correctly, keep customers satisfied, and reduce waste time and protect the company reputation. These costs usually arise when products do not meet quality standard or when problems occur during production. If not addressed quickly, internal failure costs can grow and reduce the company efficiency and profit. To lower these costs, companies should detect defects early and fix them properly and take steps to prevent them from happening again. For example, based on example on this slide, a car factory may find a mechanical problem on the example line and spend time and labor to fix it. And an electronic defector may discover a broken microchip and have to discard them before packaging. These are internal failure costs because they happen inside the company before the product reach customer. By controlling internal failure costs, company can ensure products are reliable, build customer loyalty, increase profit, minimize waste, and maintain smooth operation. Thank you. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Muhammad NUQMAN with Muhammad AZALIZAN. Today, I want to represent about the external failure costs. And first, the definition. In logistics and supply chain, external costs refers to the cost that a company has to bear when good or service purchased, deliver have defects or poor quality, and the issue is only detected after the goods reach the customer, means the end user. And for example, when the purchasing department incorrectly selects a poor quality supplier or logistic fails to maintain delivery standards. Costs that arise after the goods are delivered include first, return and reverse logistic costs, means the cost of transporting damaged goods back from the customer location to the company warehouse or supply factory. Second, warranty and claim costs, means the cost of repairing, replacing defective products under the warranty. Third, damage and penalties, means the amount of compensation or penalty paid by a corporate customer for delay or failure to meet a contract specification. And lastly, additional customer service, the time and manpower spent by the customer service team to handle complaints and resolve the issue. And next, before we search the solution, first we should know what the problem is. First, poor supply selection, means the purchasing department may simply select a supply based on the lower price without examining the quality of the goods or the supply's ability to be consistent. Second, lack of abound inspection, means goods from supplier are kept in the warehouse or sent it directly to customer without going through a rigorous quality control, means QC process at the inbound logistics stage. And lastly, damage during transit. As we know, goods are in good condition when they leave the supplier warehouse but are damaged during the shipping process due to poor packaging, careless handling, or exposure to the weather. And lastly, after we know the problem, we have the solution is, and the solution means to reduce or eliminate external costs. Companies need to change their strategy from reactive fix the failure to prevent before delivery. And first, the solution, strengthen supplier audit and evaluation. And the action is the purchasing department should not only look at lower price, using a merit or KPI system to evaluate suppliers in terms or defect rate, timeliness, and quality certification, such as ISO 9001, and the impact that reduce the risk and defective good entering your supply chain from the very beginning. Second, introduce the prevention costs and internal failure costs. Means move from solving problems at the of the chain to investing in the early stage, like prevention costs. Invest money in training warehouse workers, upgrading machinery, and using thicker or safer packaging materials. And for internal failure costs, do strict QC checks before the goods leave the warehouse. If there are any defective item, catch and resolve the issue in the company own warehouse, not at the customer home. And lastly, the solution is improve the logistic and packaging process. Means the action is ensure packaging design is appropriate for the mode of transport, like use the double box or foam protection for fragile items. Choose a courier or trucking company with a good handling reputation, and the impact is reduce the risk of physical damage during the goods journey to the customer. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad bin YUSOF, and now I'm going to present about conclusion. So, in conclusion, cost of quality plays an important role in helping organizations maintain high standard of products and services while controlling overall costs. Throughout this presentation, we learned that quality costs are divided into four categories: prevention costs, appraisal costs, internal failure costs, and external failure costs. Each category contributes to ensuring the product meet consumer expectation and reducing the risk of defect. By investing in prevention and appraisal activities, companies can identify and solve problems before product reach customers. This helps reduce internal and external failure costs, such as rework, product return, customer complaints, and warranty claims. As a result, businesses can improve operational efficiency, increase customer satisfaction, and strengthen their reputation in the market. Therefore, quality should not be viewed as an expense, but as a long-term investment. Effective quality management helps companies achieve sustainable growth, maintain customer trust, and gain a competitive advantage in today's business environment. Thank you. That's all for me.